Hi, in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can start building wealth with $0. You heard me right. Zero naira, $0. Now, this is what you do. You need to get a source of income. That simply means you need to get a job, right? So go get that certificate wherever it is, dust it, and go apply for that job. Go look for a job. Okay, you're not schooled, you don't have a certificate, or maybe you've been looking for a job but you're not getting it. Employment is not available anywhere, right? There is another option. What is that option? Go learn a skill. There are skills that you can learn on YouTube. Go online, look for skills, editing skills, something you love that you can do, and then offer the services to people who needs it, and you get paid for it. Okay, you don't want to learn a skill, right? How about affiliate marketing? Become a hustler, right? Become a middleman. Go to major markets, busy markets where they have footfalls, where the footfalls are high, where they have people looking for things to buy. You can be the intermediary between the buyer and the seller. Connect the buyer and the seller together, right? And when the sales is being done, you get commission for it. So you see, get something doing. That is the first part, so that you can get some form of income. Now, number 2. What's your company? Who is in your circle of friendship? That matters. Do you have the kind of people that desire to build wealth like you, that can help you and you grow together? It gives you opportunity for making money, doors opening. Or do you have people whose ideology when it comes to making money is get it quick? Getting rich quick, that syndrome can quickly destroy the little that you have. You see the money that you have going out. Yes, you just keep losing. You just keep wasting money because it is not a good option. Now, number 3, budget. Budget, pay yourself, and save. 3 1. Learn budgeting. You started getting money now, right? So what do? You learn to budget. Let your needs, every need have hierarchy of importance. Yes, people say satisfy your needs before your wants, but even needs, you understand, need to be what? Putting in hierarchy of importance. For instance, you want to get a house. You want to rent the house. Do you go renting a 3-bedroom flat when you can rent a self-contained or a room and parlor? Remember, you're living alone. And we want to build wealth. Except you're a family man. Even if you're a family man, cut your coat according to your material. I hope that makes sense. All right. Pay yourself. Start putting aside some form of amount, some savings. Start putting aside some savings for yourself. It's necessary. It doesn't matter how small. The idea is to cultivate the saving culture. That's just it. So don't say, oh, it's very small. I can't save. It's small. No matter how small, learn how to do what? Save. Number 4. Get a second stream of income. Yes, get a second stream of income. Okay, you're very busy with your job. You don't have time. So what do? Enhance your career. Yes, enhance that job so that you can get promotions, you can get higher pay, and you can also look for another job that can pay you better. Do you understand? That is the way to go. So if you feel that getting a second form of income, stream of income, is not easy, is not something you can do, then do what? enhance your skills, and get a well-paying job, a higher paying job. That will help. Also, invest. Yes. So you might say, invest. Yes, invest. It's not so much. You can start with $10. You can start with 10,000 naira, no matter how small. Just invest. Remember, we are building the culture of what? Investing. So the amount you're putting is not what we are looking at. It's just to learn it, to practice it, to get good at it, and to do it. Now, you know, we are trying to do what? Build wealth. So we need to be careful when investing. Yes, we don't just invest in any company. We don't have money to throw away. Even if we have, we are not ready to start throwing money away. We want to do what? Build wealth. So you need to do what? Be sure of the company that it is well backed up by the financial institution in your country before you invest. And then we are trying to build wealth. So we do what? We look for low risk, low interest investment where our capital is secured and we have access to it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Invest in money markets, invest in ETFs, just make investment that is what? Low risk. We don't want to lose our money. And make sure you do your findings well before you start investing, right? Good. Give. No matter how small. Give to people who need help genuinely. Just give according to your capacity. Yes, don't worry. Don't say, oh, I'm trying to get wealthy, I can't give money. You can. Help someone that is in need. It is also a means of getting wealthy. And lastly, start developing your financial literacy. Improve on it. Don't depend on others to do what? To tell you what to do when it comes to you becoming wealthy. Don't just solely depend on them. Learn these things yourself. There are books, there are seminars, there are trainings. Just go, sit down, learn, then come back, assimilate, and then see if what the information they're giving to you is worth it. Keep at this. Keep doing it. And before you know, you're on a road to getting wealthy. If not anything, you will no longer be in that financial situation that you were before you started this journey. So let me know in the comment section, what other areas or ways do you think you can get involved in legitimately that can help you build wealth with $0 or 0 naira? I'll be reading comments. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.